Welcome to a new part of the ISM Statistics 1 exercises. This time with an exercise on qualitative and quantitative characteristics. Let's take a look at the exercise. Decide whether the following characteristics are qualitative or quantitative in nature. License plates, favorite colors, cut of a pair of trousers, mobile numbers, current weather and income. Let's work through them one by one. Starting with the license plates. Well, license plates usually contain numbers or letters. While numbers directly can be considered quantitative, there's also only a certain set of other characters which can be used, other letters which can be used. Therefore, we can also relatively easy codify all the possible license plates, or an answer for please list your license plate. So we can consider license plates a quantitative characteristic. Considering color, it always depends. For some people, color is more of a qualitative characteristic, whereas there's a lot of different approaches. RGB, CMYK, different ways how to quantify color, to actually analyze or use color in a computer in a digital context. So we could say that color can be quantitative in nature, considering it's quantified in a halfway decent way. Then we have the cut of a pair of trousers. Pair of trousers, well, yeah, there are cutting patterns. However, it's more of a general design part. So it's more qualitative, and it's very hard to just list a few numbers and then decide that perfectly describes the cut of a pair of trousers, because there's also a lot of subjectivity involved in this. So we could say cut of a pair of trousers is more of a qualitative characteristic. Then we have the mobile numbers. Well, mobile numbers are just a set of different numbers, so it's a very good example of a quantitative characteristic. Then we have the current weather. Current weather, well, usually this is more than just the temperature or humidity or something which could be measured. It could also be something as sunny, rainy. But how to put rainy or sunny in some kind of numbers? Is this more sunnier? Is this like a 3 in sunny? Is this like a 5 in sunny? So this is really complicated. So we could rather say current weather is a more or less qualitative characteristic. If we take a look only at parts like temperature, humidity, which can be measured, then we would have a quantitative part. But in overall, it's more qualitative. Well, finally, we have income. Income is like a classical quantitative characteristic, quantitative variable. Why? Well, we can directly measure this, we can analyze this, we can calculate the average income and something like this. So it's a typical quantitative characteristic. Well, we already worked through this exercise. So this concludes this lesson. I hope all of you enjoyed listening and learned something. Then, until next time, and have a good time.